Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on that two vertical pattern tutorial. Let's get started. For this one you need multiple of 5 plus edge. Usually I use extra for edge here, but in total you need multiple of 5 plus 4. Now I have I'm going to start to make here. What you need to do, as I told you, it's multiple of 5. I have 14 here because I used for separation, and already I had 3 rows knitted by knitted 3 pull, 3 knit, 2 pull, 3 knit, and 2 pull. The other extra are for edge. The pattern starts from here by doing the pull the edge. When it comes in this 3, we have to, in front side, we have to take these 3 together and just make it 1. Before we take it out, we are going to make 5 more stitches, like yarn over, do the same again. Now I have 3, again yarn over and make again these 3. So it means I have 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The next step is we are going to take the second one and pull it through all. Before we take it out, we have to take the needle and take the stitches like that. Let's do it again. We do 2 pull. When it comes is these 3, we are going to make it 3 together in front side. Before we take it out, we are going to yarn over again, yarn over again, and then take these 3 together. Now we are going to take the second one, take it on the top of the other stitch. Before I leave it, I have to use my needle and take it this side. This is the row 4. Row 5, we are going to knit the separation, the first 3. When it comes to that 5, we are going to pull the first one, pull the second one. Now I have 3 left. I'm going to take all 3 and pull together. Now again separation 2. When it comes in these 2, 3, 5, I'm going to pull the first one and also the second one, and the next 3 I'm going to pull all 3 together like that. And then again separation, and comes to the next row. Next row we are going to make the separation, pull and knit 3, again 2 pull, knit 3 and pull the last one. we are going to repeat again the next row, just whatever is knit and whatever is pull. It means 3 pull, 2 knit, 3 pull, 2 knit, and the pattern should look like that. After 3 rows we are going to repeat the pattern again. I'm going to take these 3, pull, yarn over, pull again, yarn over, and pull. Then I take the second one, one more time, yarn over, pull together, yarn over, pull together, take the second one, then do like this, and that's it, because you are going to repeat the pattern like that after 3 rows. We're going to have it, this is the front side and this is the back side. That's it. The second pattern, this is front side, back side. These are really easy to make, only 2 row repeat. And what you have to do, as I told you, this pattern is also needs a multiple of 5 plus 4 for edges. What I want to do, I already start by make pull, 2 pull, 3 knit, 2 pull, 3 knit, 2 pull, and also always I have 1 for edge. We are going to start by 2 pull. When it comes in these 3, we are going to insert the hook between the stitch 2 and 3, grab the yarn, then yarn over, and then we take these 3 together and knit together like that. Let's do it again. I'm going to insert the hook between stitch 2 and 3, grab the yarn, yarn over, and then I knit 3 together. Then we do the 3 pull, and this is the first row of pattern. Next row we are going to knit the separation. When it comes in these 3, just we are going to pull all the stitches. Again, knit 2, but make sure always, if you have it like this, make sure you have to just first you have to knit, pull this one, the second one and the third one, and knit. Next row is the same, repeat. We're going to pull 3. When it comes to the pattern, insert the hook between the stitch 2 and 3, yarn over, then knit 3 together. If you repeat this 2 row after few rows, your pattern should look like that. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe the channel, and have a good day.